I'm surprised as to how many plugs there is in this room. There literally is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey guys, we survived day 2. My whole body's aching. I think so is Ashley's, but you have to do with what you have to do. I'm so tired. It is like 10 o'clock and I don't remember the last time I slept until that late. But we have a bed. This is actually the spare bedroom. It's not our main bedroom, but there's a bed and a chest of drawers and a bedside table and a desk. And this is going to be Ashley's man cave, Ashley's guest bedroom, Ashley's sleep away from home but in the house place. Is that a thing? Look what I found.
Good morning.
Good morning. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Day 2. We survived and we've made it.
Yeah.
How do you feel about it?
Yeah, knackered, but yeah, it's right.
Achy. Achy, achy heart. Achy, achy legs.
Yeah, it is.
Why are you in the corner? Guys, you can't. Like, Ashley's looking at the wall. Right in the corner of the living room.
Chase cable.
Let me show you. It's quite funny. It's like he's been punished. What did you do wrong? What's up? Oh, today we shall go boxes and boxes and kitchen. Brita filter kettles are amazing, but the other thing is you have to fill up this whole bit and wait for it to filter before you have to fill it up again, which is just long. So that's the first load. Second load. As to how many plugs there is in this room. There literally is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plugs in one room, guys. Without counting the kitchen. So that's another 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 20 plugs in one single room. Is that safe? Guess what, guys? We're off to IKEA again.
Round 2.
Round 2. The house is coming along together nicely though, isn't it? Nash is looking for all his keys.
Yes. Yeah, we're getting there.
I'm so tired. So we just made it to IKEA, guys. And Ashley's running away because he's so desperate for the toilet. For once it's not me, so that's quite nice. Look at him go. Go, go, Ashley, go, go.
Go on, Sprudy.
Okay. Hello?
Where did you emerge from?
It's actually quite cute. Oh, hi! How are you guys doing? Are you in IKEA too?
We're not looking at baby stuff.
The bunny's coming out.
You'll get sweets.
Thanks. I lost Ashley. I think he went to the food. Found you!
Right. I think we're done.
Right.
Where are we going?
I don't know, I kind of want to see if they have a different cake. Because I like cake.
Yeah.
Do you want a coffee? I think we get free coffee today.
I would like a free coffee. Fancy.
Muffin crew.
Do I want to?
Because we're missing Matt.
No, because he's a muffin top.
Who said that?
Sandwich.
Sandwich?
Sandwich.
You don't want meatballs?
I don't want meatballs. No. I had them last time.
Like a few days ago. Sofa?
We have half of this.
We have, what do you mean?
It's got 2 parts.
I know, but the whole sofa will be here.
Hello.
Hello.
Sorry. Yeah, it's after me.
Guys, we have a big sofa. Joking, it's only half of it.
Come hold my hand.
1, 2. So comfy.
Oh, this is so much better.
It feels so tall for some reason though. I guess we've not sat on it enough.
We sat on the floor for so long.
So it's all bouncy. Oh. You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Is it how you imagined it? You want to lean on there to see if it's worthy of napping? It's definitely worthy of napping.
I want to see where this. I think it will.
Look, Ash! It's bigger than me!
Look at that! Perfect.
It's bigger than me!
Which means.
But it's definitely quality for napping. Oh, it's so soft.
Oh look, we can both film this.
Yeah, you can extend your legs, look. And then I extend my legs this way.
Oh yeah.
Perfect!
Oh, sunny. Oh, we got cushions.
Ah!